Hi, so this video discussion is created to tackle the answers to the problems from the handouts I gave you. So let's now proceed with problem 1. So dun sa problem 1, meron tayong dalawang option: repair the old machine or buy a new machine. So kung ire-repair natin yung old machine, gagastusan natin siya ng repair cost na 1,000 and then we will install 10,000 tires for the next 2 years. Sabi sa problem, meron daw labor cost per tire installation na 50 cents. So that will give you a total of 5,000 labor cost. So ang total expense related to the old machine is 6,000. For the new machine, gagastusan natin siya ng purchase price or cost na 5,000. And then, ang labor daw niya is half at 25 cents per tire. So, times 10,000, no, na i-install na tires for the next 2 years. So, that will give you 2,500. So, the total expense for the new machine is 7,500. So, our conclusion, it is cheaper to use the old machine. No? Mas matipid ng 1,500. So, yun yung dapat natin gawin. No? Repair and retain the old machine.